My dear student, very good morning. Welcome back to your chapter P block elements. In the last session, you have to study the chemical reactivity of and group 15th elements. Group 15th elements, the family member you already know, nitrogen to bismuth. Suppose in the last session I have to study the reaction with an hydrogen to formation of an hydrates and reaction with an oxygen to formation of an oxides. Compared to oxygen, the reaction with an hydrogen to formation of an hydrates of the type EH3 is very important in your board exam as well as your competitive exam. Suppose one time I ask, give reason pH3 is a lower boiling point than NH3 or give reason NH3 is a higher boiling point than pH3. What is the reason? Due to and presence of an intermolecular hydrogen bonding, hence ammonia is a more boiling point than your phosphine pH3. And another one important chemical reactions, the reaction with an halogens X from F fluorine, chlorine, bromide, iodine. Group 15th elements reaction with an halides to give an halides of the type EX3 and EX5, trihalides and pentahalides. In these concepts, nitrogen does not form an pentahalides. Give reason. What is the reason? Due to absence of d orbital in the valence shell. I already explained in the anomalous behavior of nitrogen. Explain mandidini. Why it is an absence of d orbital already explained. Suppose in your CT exam, give reason NCl5 is less stable or NCl5 does not form due to absence of d orbital in the valence shell. That is the reason for nitrogen does not form an pentahalides, but phosphorus it form both pentahalides of the type PCl5 and trihalide of the type PCl3. This is the reaction of a group 15th elements with halogens to form what? Halides of the type EX3 means trihalides and pentahalides. Out of pentahalide, nitrogen does not form an pentahalide due to absence of d orbital in the valence shell. Clear? Another one, next concepts in your group 15th elements, dinitrogen anta kariteve athwa simply nitrogen. Nitrogen is an exist as a diatomic gas at room temperature having the bond order 3 n triple bond n 1 sigma bond and 2 pi bonds. Clear? And give reason nitrogen N2 is an chemically inert at room temperature. Give reason nitrogen is an chemically inert at room temperature. What is the reason? Due to what? Higher bond enthalpy of N triple bond N. Room temperature means at 25 degrees Celsius ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ N2 chemically less reactive. What is the reason? Due to this temperature is unable to break the triple bond, N triple bond N, hence it's chemically less reactive or inert at room temperature, hence increases the temperature, increases the reactivity of nitrogen. That is a very, very important point. And also nitrogen is exists as two isotopes, means nitrogen 14 and nitrogen 15. Okay. Next, the nitrogen, what are the uses of an N2? It is used in the preparation of an ammonia NH3. That is the one of the important use of the nitrogen N2. Next, what are the chemical reaction of an nitrogen? Nitrogen reaction with an metals M to give what? Metal nitrates. Nitrogen reaction with an metals to give an metal nitrates like lithium nitride and magnesium nitride and aluminum nitrates. Clear? Nitrogen reacts with what? Metals. What is the product? Metal nitrates. The some of the examples of metals like lithium, magnesium and aluminum. nitrogen reacts with lithium metal to gives lithium nitride, and reaction with an magnesium to gives what? Magnesium nitride, and reaction with an aluminium to gives what? Aluminium nitride. This is the first compounds of a group 15th element, nitrogen. Next, what is the major use? It is used for the preparation of an ammonia by Haber's process. Clear? Next, move on to preparation of ammonia by Haber's process. In this concept, we have to concentrate that. What is the reason for its chemically inertness? Okay. Next, let us consider the preparation of ammonia by Haber's process. In this process, let us consider first flow chart. Flow chart in your exam is very, very important for 2 marks or 3 marks. This is the Haber's is a great scientist. This is an industrial preparation of an ammonia. It's a large scale preparation of ammonia by scientist named Haber's process. That is the flow chart. Clear? Let us consider the first reactions. Nitrogen reaction with an hydrogen to gives 2 moles of an ammonia. Clear? Let us consider first how many moles of nitrogen? 1 moles. How many moles of an hydrogen? 3. N2 and H2 are called as a reactant, or clear, and ammonia called as a product. How many moles of an ammonia? 2 moles. The total number of moles of the reactant is 4, and the number of moles of the product is 2. The formation of ammonia is the reaction between 1:3 ratio or 1:3 mole ratio of nitrogen and hydrogen. The number of moles of the reactant is 4. The number of the moles of the product is 2. Hence, the formation of ammonia is decreases by the number of moles. Correct? Clear? The number of moles of the reactant is how much? 4. The number of moles of the product is 2. The formation of ammonia is accompanied by decreases the number of moles. That is your reaction concept. Next, let us consider this symbol. This 2-side arrow mark indicates what? Is a reversible in nature. Hence, the forward N2 plus 3H2 to gives an ammonia. This is the rate of formation of ammonia. Hence, 2NH3 to gives back N2 plus 3H2 to gives what? The rate of decomposition of ammonia. Hence, is the reversible in nature. Next, suppose any reaction takes place, either heat is absorbed or heat is what? Liberated. Heat is absorbed is called what? Endothermic in nature. Heat is liberated is called exothermic in nature. Delta HF in the enthalpy formation of the compound, in this case ammonia, the enthalpy formation of ammonia is negative sign indicates what? It is liberated from system to surrounding. This is minus 92.4 kilojoule per mole. This negative sign indicates what? This is an exothermic reaction. Okay na? ಇವಿಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಸೇರಿಸಿ ನೀವು ಬರೀತಾರೆ ಏನು? ಸಪೋಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ದ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಮೋನಿಯಾ ಬೈ ಹೇಬರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್. ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ರೈಟ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ವಿತ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಅವಾಗ ಬರೀತೀರಾ ಈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ ಹೇಳಿ. ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಮೋನಿಯಾ is accompanied by decreases in volume or decreases the number of moles by 1:3 molar ratio of nitrogen and hydrogen. It is an exothermic in nature. Idaitu. Next, what are the optimum conditions? What are the optimum conditions to get a maximum yield of an ammonia? ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಪ್ರಿಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಆ ಪ್ರಿಪ್ರೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಮೋನಿಯಾ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಆಪ್ಟಿಮಮ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಹೀಲ್ಡ್? ಸಪೋಸ್ ಈಗ ನೀವು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಿ ಯು ಸಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಮನೇಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಾಕೋದು ವೀಡಿಯೋಸ್ನೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ವೀಡಿಯೋಸ್ನೆಲ್ಲನೂ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್. ಅದೇ ಥರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಆಪ್ಟಿಮಮ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದೇ ಥರ ದ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಮೋನಿಯಾ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಎನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್. What are the optimum conditions? Let us consider first, this is an exothermic in nature. You have to study in your the first PUC chapter chemical equilibrium, the one of the important principle called Le Chatelier's principle. Clear? Le Chatelier's principle. What are the Le Chatelier's principles? You already know that. Let us consider the first. The number of moles of the reactant is 4. The number of moles of the product is 2. The first optimum condition is in pressure, higher pressure is in pressure nearly 200 atmospheric pressure. 200 atmospheric pressure, because increases the pressure increases the formation of ammonia. Why? What is the reason? Let us consider the number of moles of the reactant is equal to how much? 4. The number of the product is equal to how much? Only 2 moles. According to Le Chatelier's principles, increases the pressure, increases the forward reaction, means the rate of formation of ammonia is increases. Why? What is the reason? Due to decreases the number of moles. Clear? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ? ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಲೀ ಚಟಲಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ಸ್, ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೋಲ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದಷ್ಟು ನೀವು ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಷ್ಟು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೆನ್ಸ್ ದ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇಟ್ ಮಿನಿಮೈಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್. ಹೆನ್ಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ವಿಚ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಸ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೋಲ್ಸ್. That is the first optimum conditions. The optimum pressure and nearly 200 atmospheric pressure. Next, second optimum conditions and temperature and nearly 700 Kelvin, means the lower temperature, because it's an exothermic in nature. Increases the temperature, decreases the formation of ammonia. Okay, because heat is liberated. But in case of an endothermic reaction, increases the temperature, increases the rate of reaction. Hence, the higher pressure and the lower temperature nearly 700 Kelvin. And third optimum condition, suppose any reaction it go fast, it should be used as a catalyst. Catalyst what? It's the species which alter the rate of reaction. In that case, use iron oxide as catalyst. Suppose we have to increases the activity of the catalyst, used as a catalytic promoter. Aluminum oxides used as a your catalytic promoters. These are the 3 optimum conditions for in Haber's process the formation of an ammonia. 3 marks ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, that is the balanced reactions and the enthalpy formation value. Next, explain one by one. The formation of ammonia is and decreases by the volume is a 1:3 molar ratio of nitrogen and hydrogen. According to Le Chatelier's principle, the optimum condition to give a maximum yield of ammonia, first the pressure nearly 200 atmospheric pressure and the temperature nearly 700 Kelvin, and iron oxide used as a catalyst. This is the preparation, get a 3 marks. Next, what are the experimental setup? It is called flow chart. You pass then nitrogen and hydrogen gas. You already know that the compressor, means the pressure is higher pressure is to 200 atmospheric pressure. This is the pressure chamber. And next the pressure adjust madmade, next move on to your the catalytic chamber. This chamber is called catalytic chamber. Yavadu catalyst heli? Iron oxide and aluminum oxide used as a catalytic promoters, and N2 plus H2 reacts with to gives what? Ammonia. These are an unreacted nitrogen and hydrogen. All Avogadro number of an N2 and Avogadro number of H2 ಒಂದೇ ಸತಿ react ಆಗೋಲ್ಲ. The unreacted N2 and H2 and the ammonia is dissolved in a water. Ammonia is a gas. Is an highly soluble in water. What is the reason? Ammonia is an highly soluble in water due to formation of an hydrogen bonding with water. Hence the ammonia gas is highly soluble in water. You called as a liquid ammonia. The nitrogen and hydrogen is an insoluble in water. Hence the unreacted N2 and H2 again back to catalytic chamber. This is the process is the reversible. That is, you are asked for flow chart. This is an very important. Flow chart is also important, and preparation of an ammonia with reaction and what are the optimum conditions. These are the very important. Suppose you write the flow chart and arrow mark is also very important. Arrow mark ಯಾವ ಥರ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದೆ, what are the catalytic chamber ಏನೇನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. Clear? These are the 2 marks flow chart and preparation is 3 marks. Okay. Next, move on to chemical properties of an ammonia. Ammonia chemical reactions ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಥರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. Let us consider the first means a solubility NH3. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ already explained in the formation of a chemical reaction with nitrogen. Ammonia is an highly soluble in water due to formation of an hydrogen bonding with water. Clear? Ammonia is highly soluble because ability to form an hydrogen bonding with water. Next, ammonia, it is a basic in nature. Ammonia is a basic in nature. Ammonia acts as a Lewis base. Ammonia acts as a Lewis base because already chemical bonding allows first position nitrogen as a containing one lone pair of an electron. What is meant by Lewis base? It's a species having the tendency or capability of a donate a pair of electron. Hence ammonia it acts as a Lewis base due to presence of a lone pair of electrons in nitrogen atom. Hence ammonia is a basic in nature. Next, reaction with metal. The reaction with metals of an ammonia you have to already deeply study in your coordination chemistry chapter. Ammonia acts as a ligand. What are ligand? In your coordination chemistry detail ಆಗಿ ಓದಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಓಕೆನಾ? Ammonia acts as a neutral ligand. Okay. Next, ammonia reaction with metal to form what? To form complex. Ammonia reaction with n. Suppose metal M plus ammonia NH3 to formation of a complex coordination compounds. For example, let us consider a copper 2 ions from copper sulfate in aqueous. Copper sulfate blue color irutte. Blue color, the copper sulfate in the copper plus 2 state. It's a reaction with 4 moles of an ammonia. Aqueous means liquid ammonia to give a formation of a complex CuNH3 2 plus. This complex is a deep blue color. ಅದು ಕಲರ್ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ವೇರಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಷನ್ ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲರಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಓದ್ತೀರಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. In this the chemical reactions ಅಲ್ಲಿ this reaction is very important. Suppose ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ complete the following reaction. Cu2 plus 4NH3 to gives complete. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆವಾಗ ನೀವು ಇದರ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್? ಟೆಟ್ರಾಮೈನ್ copper 2 ion. Okay, this is the reaction of an ammonia with metal. Ammonia acts as a ligand and reaction with an metal ions like in copper to the formation of a coordination complex. This is a blue color, light blue color is then converted into deep blue color. Next, another one important point, ammonia is precipitate, PPT in the breathing. Ammonia is precipitated as hydroxides in metal salts. Suppose new fourth group basic radical ಅಲ್ಲಿ zinc ಮತ್ತೆ manganese ಅಂತ ಓದಿರ್ತೀರ ನೋಡಿ. Suppose in your second piece you have to analyze the zinc in the form of a zinc sulfate, original solution plus NH4Cl plus NH4OH ಹಾಕಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ to the formation of a white precipitation of a zinc hydroxide. That means ನೋಡಿ ammonia precipitated as hydroxide OH in metal salt like a metal sulfate, like a example particular zinc sulfate. These are the chemical reactions of an ammonia. Ammonia is insoluble in water. It acts as a Lewis base, and ammonia it also acts as a ligand. It reaction with an metals to formation of a complex, and ammonia it is a precipitate from metal as form of an hydroxide from metal salts. These are the chemical reactions of an ammonia. Okay.